Hello, welcome to our robotics lab. So we have the SCARA robot here. This is a 4-axis motor drive and one pneumatic system for the gripper. So when we look at this one, we can look at first the bottom one was a base, which has the aluminum, and we have the steel cover. And the first joint is a motor drive by the DC servo motor, which is hidden in the box. So we have the gear to drive the screw inside this one to change from the rotation axis to vertical movement. So it's become a linear movement. So we jump the power in to control that motor, have to use the control board to control it. So it's hidden this one. After that, we also have on another side, this is the pneumatic system. So this also a pneumatic system will be used to support the gripper. So let's look at the second joint. It has the tube right here, which we have the wire connected between each link, and this is the second motor. So look at this. We have the DC motor with a gear attached to the second joint. This also used a pulley system, belt and pulley. If you look at this one, it also has a pulley inside this one to rotate this. So this is the second joint. We also have the mechanical stop, which is made from engineering plastic, which is PP type of plastic. It's hard enough to support, but we also have the sensor like photo electric sensor like this one inside of that of each joint, which can sense the limitation from electrical sources. So we can use for the software to control the limitation of the robot. Second joint was passed. The next one would be the third joint, which is this one. But we moved the motor a little bit backward to this location. So the same thing that we have is to have the pulley drive system to rotate in this axis, and we have the aluminum cover for it. It is the third joint DC gear servo motor. And we have the photo sensor like this one. So we have to set the joint like this so the sensor can acknowledge. So we didn't have the electrical wire for this system right now, but when it has the material inside of this, it will send the limitation for the robot. That is the third link. The fourth one would be at the tool system. So at the final one, we have the final axis for rotate the tool. This is a gripper. This is controlled by a pneumatic system. So at the base, we have the pneumatic, and we can link it into the gripper, which allows to grip and grab some object for the previous. From this one, we also have the sensor to sense the object. So that is ready to go right now. So we can apply the research and also can develop the control strategy for this robot. Who want to know more about this one? Please comment below, subscribe, like, and see you again later.